Hello guys, so this is the second part of the video. So here you can uh, now let's move on to the next section. You can edit this from here. You can add a link, and also you can here edit the wave intensity, just like this. Now let's move on to the next. So here first you have to delete this image and add a new image here. So you can search on for image here for educational and learning tools. For example, I'm gonna choose this. You can add another one here. And now you can edit the background. You can here just select just a simple art. For example, this. Here you can change the text. And now let's move on to the next section. Also here you can just select a simple art like this. Also here, so any section you can add just a simple art. Now let's move on to the next. So here you have to delete this, and you can add another one. So type educational tools or educational and learning tools. For example, I'm gonna choose this. Like this. Now let's move on. Here you can change this. You can change the text here, and the last section is the footer section. Also you can edit it, and the grid in the section and the background. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing your website, you can change the buttons, the primary buttons and the secondary. They can apply to all button types. So that's it. Here you can change the text and the shape, you can customize it as you like, and the outline. So that's it. Now after you're done from customizing and designing your website, you can just save this. Now let's get back to the selling section. So here first you can add products to your inventory, physical products. So here you can type the product name, for example, um, learning tools, like this. You can add the image here, for example. This. Now let's continue. Here you can customize the price and the stock. You can turn this on, unlimited stock, and also you can customize the stock as you like. And after this, here you can describe your products, and you can add the image here. Here you can also customize the price. You can turn this on sale, and stock, and unlimited. So that's it. Now after you're done from this, you can just save this, and now you can choose the way to get paid. After this, you can choose how to fulfill your orders. You can add shipping option, or set up the pickup. After this, you can choose the subscription plan. You can choose if you want to pay annually or pay monthly. And after this, you can just publish your website and start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site on Squarespace for educational and learning tools business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.